Presenting the 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. It's powered by a 6-liter, 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. The features include tow hitch, front tow hooks, independent suspension, stability control, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, privacy glass. Inside you'll find an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, front airbags, side impact door beams, child safety locks, cruise control, an MP3 player, child restraint seats, power outlet, air conditioning. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.